poured a fresh, expensive smoothie only to watch it separate into weird foam and brown sludge 5 minutes later? Yeah, me too, until I finally discovered vacuum blenders. Not all of these machines live up to the promise they make on the box. In fact, one of the most popular mainstream brands completely let me down, while a surprising underdog absolutely blew me away. Want to see these for yourself? Just tap the tagged products right here in the video. 6. Tribest Backspin Contra Rotating Impact Blender. I was honestly pretty excited to get my hands on this one. You know, the whole idea of the blades spinning one way while the pitcher moves another sounds like a genius way to break down really tough ingredients. It looks very serious sitting on a counter, almost like some kind of industrial lab equipment. I mean, on paper, it promises a whole lot. The vacuum pump is supposed to pull out all the air, so you get these vibrantly colored, nutrient-dense smoothies. And to be totally fair, when you first hit the power button, you definitely feel the raw power of the motor. It chops through solid frozen fruit and ice blocks without immediately bogging down or stalling. But, here is where things started to go sideways for me during daily use. The vacuum process itself feels incredibly clunky. Instead of a smooth, integrated system, it honestly feels like a total afterthought. You have to fiddle with the attachment constantly, and half the time I was not even sure if it was pulling a proper vacuum or just making a loud, annoying noise. And speaking of noise, wow! I know blenders are generally loud, but this thing is on a completely different level. I actually felt like I needed ear protection just to make my simple morning green juice. Ninja Smart Screen with FreshVac. Ninja's obviously a massive name in this space. Everybody knows them, and their blenders are usually a very solid bet for the price you pay. The touchscreen interface on this specific model is undeniably sleek, and it definitely looks like a very modern upgrade for your kitchen space. The FreshVac pump is actually a completely separate little battery-operated device that you have to physically attach to the top of the pitcher. At first I thought, well, that is kind of neat. You just pop it on, press the button, and let it suck the air right out. It does pull a decent vacuum, and I did notice my apple and spinach smoothies stayed significantly greener compared to using a standard regular Ninja blender. However, the novelty of that separate pump wears off really fast. You know, having to keep track of a completely separate piece of hardware, making sure it always has fresh batteries, and digging it out of a dark drawer every single time you want to blend something just becomes a frustrating chore. I mean, our mornings are rushed enough as it is, without adding extra manual steps. Then there's the actual blending performance to talk about. Ninja uses that tall, stacked blade tower design. While it is truly great for turning solid ice into fluffy snow, it really struggles with getting a perfectly silky texture on fibrous greens like kale or stringy celery. 4. Kuvings Vacuum-Sealed Auto Blender. From the very first moment I pulled this heavy machine out of the box, I could tell it was a massive step up in overall quality. Kuvings really thought deeply about the entire user experience here, and it absolutely shows in both the build and the daily performance. One of the first things you will instantly notice is the large noise enclosure. Thank goodness for this feature. After the deafening roar of the Tribest, the Kuvings was a literal breath of fresh air in my kitchen. It has this sleek, clear dome that covers the entire blending jar, significantly muffling the sound of the motor. You can actually hold a normal conversation while it is running at full speed. The vacuum system on this model is completely integrated, which is exactly what you want. You just push a single button, the machine automatically pulls the air out of the jug, and then it smoothly transitions straight into blending your food. It is incredibly satisfying to watch. You can actually see the liquid expanding upward as the air pressure drops inside the chamber. I tested this with a really challenging recipe using raw, hard carrots, fresh ginger, frozen mango chunks, and whole almonds. The results were incredibly smooth. I mean, true coffee shop quality smooth. The colors were incredibly bright, and there was absolutely zero foam sitting on top of the liquid. 3. Pado Ozen 500 Vacuum Blender. Now, you might not be quite as familiar with this specific brand name, but let me tell you, they know exactly what they are doing. This machine has a very unique, slightly retro look that I absolutely love having on my counter. It just feels like a truly premium piece of culinary equipment. What really sets the Ozen apart from the pack is how incredibly intuitive it is to use every day. The large dial on the front controls absolutely everything. You just give it a simple turn, and the smart machine completely takes over. It pulls a remarkably deep, powerful vacuum that completely eliminates any chance of oxidation. I ran a test making fresh tomato soup, and the color difference between this and a regular blender was honestly shocking. The blending jar itself is fantastic. It is made of a heavy-duty Triton plastic material that feels very durable and safe. The blades inside are uniquely angled to pull all your ingredients straight down into a powerful vortex, meaning you rarely ever have to stop the machine and scrape the sides down. It just handles everything you throw at it with total ease. I also really appreciate that they include a separate vacuum storage container right in the box, so you can make a huge batch of your favorite smoothie drink, half of it right then, and vacuum seal the rest for tomorrow morning. It tastes exactly as fresh 24 hours later. 2. Reslee Professional Commercial Vacuum Blender. If you are someone who takes their daily smoothies, hot soups, and homemade nut butters seriously, I mean really seriously, this is the powerhouse you have been desperately looking for. It is an absolute beast of a machine. The word commercial is not just cheap marketing fluff here. This thing has a massive, heavy-duty motor that barely even breaks a sweat, even when loaded right to the brim with rock-hard frozen fruit and giant ice cubes. The sheer raw torque it generates on startup is wildly impressive. It pulverizes absolutely everything into a perfectly smooth liquid in mere seconds. The vacuum technology on the Reslee is completely top tier. It pulls out so much air so quickly that the ingredients actually visibly swell up before the sharp blades even engage. This results in the most incredibly dense, creamy textures I have ever experienced at home. I made a large batch of raw cashew milk that came out looking exactly like heavy cream, with zero grit or separation whatsoever. It also features a really effective noise cover, which is a huge bonus. Given the massive size of the commercial motor, you would naturally expect it to sound like a literal jet engine taking off, but the thick, clear acrylic shield dampens the sound beautifully. It also has a dedicated self-cleaning function that is actually very useful, spinning hot water and soap to safely clear out the base around the sharp blades. Oster blender with FoodSaver vacuum sealing system. I know you might be a little surprised to see Oster beat out some of the crazy expensive commercial brands, but hear me out. This machine represents the absolute perfect balance of reasonable price, high-end performance, and everyday easy usability. The partnership between Oster and FoodSaver is basically a match made in appliance heaven. FoodSaver is the absolute gold standard for home vacuum sealing, and they integrated their brilliant technology directly into the base of this blender. It is completely seamless in practice. You just attach the cup, hit the dedicated vacuum blend button, and the machine does the rest flawlessly, without any extra steps. Let me explain the blending itself because it is brilliant. Oster uses a really smart dual-direction blade technology. The blades actually shift rapidly forward and backward during the automatic cycle. This means your tough ingredients never ever get jammed. You know that annoying thing where an air pocket forms over the blade and you have to aggressively shake the blender? Well, that literally never happens with this amazing machine. The visual results are just spectacular. I am talking completely smooth, vibrantly colored, froth-free, perfect smoothies every single time you run it. And the very best part is that it comes with a dedicated vacuum-sealable travel cup. You can blend your healthy drink directly in the travel cup, pull the vacuum, seal it tight, and take it straight to work. Final thoughts. That's all for today, folks.